No matter your age, acne can flare up when you least expect and be the cause of much embarrassment. Whether you're heading to an important job interview, getting ready for a hot date, or even just meeting friends for a night out, it's the last thing you want to see in the mirror. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Why does acne develop? Acne is thought to develop because of a combination of factors: the production of too much oil in the skin, clogged skin pores, bacteria in the skin, and inflammation. Hormonal changes, which occur during puberty, or with a condition called polycystic ovary syndrome, and the menstrual cycle can have a big impact on acne, because they affect oil production in the skin. Does diet really matter when it comes to acne? First, let me tell you a story of Brian Turner. From the age of 15, Brian Turner suffered from cystic acne that left his face covered in painful spots, as well as causing him pain. With his skin so sensitive it hurt to lie down, Brian's acne left his confidence at rock bottom. But now, at 27, the bodybuilder has found a remedy that works for him. Brian had tried a number of methods for curing his acne, but with little success. His skin worsened at the same time as he started to increase his dairy intake for the sake of his bodybuilding hobby, but he never made the connection. His doctor prescribed medication Accutane, but this didn't do much. Then, after a long period of suffering, Brian was advised to change his diet. Brian used to drink a gallon of milk and 4 large servings of cottage cheese a day in an attempt to build bulk. He had no idea that his high levels of dairy consumption could be linked to his skin issues, until he cut milk and cheese out of his diet and noticed an immediate improvement. According to Brian, "I made the decision to give up dairy to see if it helped, and my skin started to improve immediately. I couldn't believe it. The course of Accutane didn't work until my doctor told me to take whey protein powders out of my diet. I took all dairy out and it finally started working. Immediately I was no longer seeing new cysts pop up. After my face had mostly cleared, I started having dairy and whey protein bars again, and immediately started breaking out in cysts, so I stopped having dairy entirely. My performance in the gym improved, my inflammation decreased, and my energy levels shot up. 6 months later, I went fully vegan after theorizing the meats I was eating were packed with hormones and those could be making my acne worse along with the dairy. I went vegan originally to improve my acne, but now it lines up with my core values and beliefs. I would recommend it to people with acne, as dairy is one of the largest and most common causes of acne. According to different studies, acne isn't caused or prevented by food alone. The condition is influenced by your genes, lifestyle, and diet. However, some foods might worsen it, while others can help your skin stay healthy. Foods that have been identified as acne triggers in various studies include fast foods. We all know fast food isn't the best for us. It's the culprit for a growing number of health concerns, and for all the same reasons stated above, fast food should be on the off-limits list for your skin too. Usually comprised of French fries, hamburgers, pizza, and all other grease-filled finger food, the high saturated fats and processed ingredient can completely throw off your hormonal balance and blood sugar levels. If you have a craving for your favorite fast food, try making your own version at home. Swap baked for fried potatoes and opt for white meat instead of red in your burger. Chocolate. Our dear old friend chocolate has long had a bad rap as the leading cause for all our unsightly blemishes. However, the good news for all the chocolate lovers out there is that cacao in its raw form has been proven to have no impact on your acne breakouts. In fact, raw cacao is packed with vitamins A, C, E, and zinc, which are all highly beneficial for your skin. It's actually the dairy and sugar often mixed in with most candy bars and desserts that have linked chocolate to a severe case of acne. So next time you reach for a chocolate bar, try opting for high-percentage dark chocolate or snackable cacao nibs as a treat. Dairy products, specifically milk, are thought to contribute to the severity of your acne symptoms due to the bovine hormones that remain bioavailable with ingestion. Although you may consider a good alternative to whole milk would be to drink skim milk, this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, the milk proteins that are added to skim milk to make it taste less watery, such as whey and casein, have been tied to causing further inflammation. Milk may be hard to cut out entirely as it's in a significant amount of the foods we eat daily. However, cutting down is a great start. There are many alternatives available in most supermarkets, such as almond or even cashew milk. Whey protein powder is a popular dietary supplement. It is a rich source of the amino acids leucine and glutamine. These amino acids make skin cells grow and divide more quickly, which may contribute to the formation of acne. The amino acids in whey protein can also stimulate the body to produce higher levels of insulin, which has been linked to the development of acne. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.